Let's do Indian look using full face MAC. Let's dive in. First, we're gonna do the eyebrows. Did you see Indian people, the ladies, how beautiful, stunning they are? Especially if you see the eyebrows. I don't know if I can make it like that, but we will try. Definitely, we will try. So I don't have eye primer from MAC, so we're going to use from Pillows. It's really beautiful. I heard a lot about it in TikTok, but this is my first time using it. Yeah, I really snatched this eyebrows. It's a little bit darker than I wanted. We will work with it. I can use this eye primer like eyeshadow. It's very creamy. I was not too much on YouTube except short because it's easy to upload short. You upload it in Instagram and TikTok. Oh, and find me in my TikTok and my Instagram. Eyeshadow I'm gonna use, this is MAC, I don't know if you can see it. This is MAC called Connecting in Color. Have beautiful warm colors. So I'll take the neutral color and then I apply it all over my lid. Usually when I do a full glam look, I like to do underpainting because my makeup will stay longer and it looks flawless. It looks like that I just have a Photoshop. Yeah. People say that when you are in social media, when you do tutorials or whatever, they say you have to be authentic and be yourself. But there's a problem. I'm always being myself. English is my second language, and yeah, it didn't work. I think you have to fake it until you make it. That's what I'm getting right now, or understand, or you have to be a very hype person, get crazy. Yeah, I got this, and I'm not that kind of person. I really, really cannot do that. Oh my god, let's take a moment. Look how pigmented it is, this eyeshadow. How beautiful it is. It's just sit. To be honest, I missed the old days, like when we used to do this bold, crazy look. I think I might do that. We're gonna get crazy a little bit with the makeup. If you see Indian people, Indian makeup, their makeup is so flawless and it looks like a Photoshop and it's beautiful. Their eyeshadow, the way they do the eyeliner and the eyebrows, that yeah, it's gonna be hard. I will try my best. Let's see. Now let's go to the fun part, which is face time. It's a makeup time. Finished my eyes, but first I like to clean. I use this mid-cube pad. It does clean your face very well. This is MAC Studio primer, which is really good. Is the best? No, it's not. There is more out there. Usually I do prep my skin, but not too crazy, layers. I just do a little bit cleanup and then primer. That works for me. I don't know. So we're gonna do a little bit of underpainting because I want my makeup to look really flawless. Please, if you have any recommendation, because my eyes get red sometimes and I just use wherever that I can get my hand. Please, if you have any recommendation, let me know. So when I do underpainting, I do a 3 color lighter than my skin for my T-zone, and for a contour I use 3 darker color than my skin. I'm gonna use a liquid blush. This is Morphine. It's very pigmented, very nice color, beautiful pink color. I really like it. Look how pigmented it is. When you do underpainting, you don't have to worry that all your work will go down, because you will use a very lightweight foundation. When you do underpainting, if you don't look like this, then it's not working. You have to look like clown to look beautiful later. I like to take the blush from my cheek until my temple. This is MAC Studio 24 Hours Luminous Lift Concealer. This is in the shade NC45. You know, if you don't want, you don't have to use concealer. I'm just extra. Then I take this tiny sponge. It's very, very useful for concealer, especially under your eye. Don't worry, trust the process. That's what we say. Trust the process. A little bit of contour in the nose. I like to mix this too. I like it when you mix it. You have like, it's a primer. Look at it, it's white. Yeah, but look how it changed color. It's shimmery and it's beautiful color. So what I like to do is I mix it a little bit, not exactly, but shake it before. This is MAC Studio, the new foundation that they do with the Kris Jenner. And we'll apply it. Not moving the product, it's just very slightly, just tap gently. Don't forget the neck. At this stage, I like to take my sponge and take that excess product that we have in the face. So I let it sit a little bit, my concealer and my foundation a little bit to dry before I do a press powder. Until that, I'll just do blush. A little bit blush. I'm a blush sucker. I love blush. This is MAC in the shade with Flirting with Danger. I like that. This is MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. This is in the shade NC47. I have to say, this powder foundation, oh yeah, it is amazing. Get closer, I'll show you something. Look. Yeah, I know. it is really good. I never used the old formula, to be honest, so I cannot compare it, but this is magic. Please let me know down below in the comment section if you pass by on my video from where you guys are watching. This is MAC, the new skin finish like strap. It's like a highlighter. Let me show you. See? So I just use it here, just it's very wet, but you can't argue with that. This task setting spray, I'm gonna use this. So let me finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back. So what do we think? What do we think? So this is the final look. Let me know down below the comments section. As always, I will see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye.